Patrick's Garage.
Now begin that way, now begin that way, and here we go! Hi guys.
Today we're going to show you how to repair this simple one-barrel Zenith-Stromberg British carburetor. So take a notice that this membrane wears out. It's crunchy now, but it was good membrane. So now we need to unscrewing these upper screws. Here should be 4 screws, but now only 2, because this carburetor was repaired recently and I decided to save it as additional spare parts for my carburetors. Okay, how you unscrew? Oh yes, with this unscrewed now, and looks at our chamber. Here we see bridge inside, and here main jet. Now what you want to unscrewing? Here is oh no, it's not needles to unscrewing. Let's unscrew our I forgot completely what I want. Let's dismantling our choker cool start device. 2 screws. What inside interesting for us? This is screw. Oh no. This with securing washer and unscrew our cold start device, and we look what inside, what condition inside. Simple screwdriver, slot screwdriver we're using. Case, container, and we can realize, and we see our surfaces. So good. You see our surfaces in good condition. Smoothness, check the smoothness of our surfaces, and keep in mind that this cool start device should be installed correctly, otherwise it couldn't work properly. This is 2 screws. We don't want unscrewing this butterfly, but we can check, play this axle, how it play now. Good condition. The bottom, you see you're impatient, so you see this is crappy part. This is I just forgot. This is temperature compensator. This is additional part just for anti-pollution equipment. Okay, let's open our bottom, and what we see inside. Here also needs slot screwdriver and screwing. So we start unscrewing this, but now I want to show you main jet, how we are replacing main jet. I show you special tools. This is for removing old, for removing this main jet by hammer. Push it out, and this is to push it up when we install it into our carburetor. Also with hammer, we can use this even on the car, maybe. So, and our float chamber, maybe our float chamber dirty, we can this float replacing if it need, but you can check it in the jar with water. On the bottom, if you see bulbs, our float in bad condition in this case. Okay, now maybe we need additional gaskets for this float chamber. Here you see gasket for the float chamber. White blue gaskets, all kit of these gaskets. How our work process goes. We unscrewing, we continue unscrewing, and maybe we need these gaskets. And what inside in this float chamber also you can find this. This is valve to prevent overflow. Okay, I can help a little. Okay. So good. This is the main part for the float chamber. First of all, we check it, maybe with vacuum. So we can check this valve. Maybe it need, maybe not. You can watch my videos about checking this valve. Okay, and we continue unscrewing lower lid with these different length screws. Okay, a little help. So, and now we can easier even with fingers. Okay, now what interestingly, and this is new soft. We compare differs. You see, this is so crunchy. Old membrane, so crunchy membrane. But this is new. But it's not original. Scan touch product. This membrane. Maybe we are replacing. Maybe not. We look inside. What inside? Maybe dirty inside, but this carburetor is not so afraid of dirt. This is main jet. Where is our main jet? This is main jet, not so suffer from dirt as in another carburetors with calibrated jets. Here only tapering needle. I show you this tapered needle goes up and goes out, so regulates mixture. Okay, what we need? Big plug. So now we continue dismantling our carburetor, and let's look at our float chamber. What inside? So when you install this lid, first of all you need to install always new this ring. And first we screw in this plug, this just plug. We only interesting about this plug when we put the adjusting tools here, and adjust. In olden days, here was just simple adjustable main jet. And let's look at our float chamber. What we see here, valve and this float. Ruler we can measure. We see Now, thanks for being here, thanks for watching to the end, thanks for liking, for sharing, we really appreciate it. And please make sure you're subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos.
Subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.